I know what you might think: how can someone thrive during a recession? Well, that's precisely what we're here to explore today. While others panic, lose sleep over crashing markets, and fret over their financial future, we will seize this opportunity and turn it into a gateway to unimaginable riches. It's important to understand that the recession isn't an obstacle but an opportunity to thrive. The most successful people in the world have done just that during economic turmoil. Think about it: companies like Disney, Microsoft, and IBM all started during times of recession. One of the main reasons behind their success is that they recognized that there are always opportunities to be seized in times of chaos. So, instead of panicking, they harnessed the power of their creativity and adaptability to come up with innovative solutions to the problems at hand. Before we begin, let's take a moment to understand what recession means. A recession is a period of economic decline when the gross domestic product or GDP falls for 2 consecutive quarters. This leads to a slowdown in various sectors, people lose jobs, and overall there is a reduction in the purchasing power of people. However, many people aren't unaware that there are ways to make the most out of this situation, and we will discuss it today. So, if you're ready to transform your financial future and eager to discover the secrets that could unlock your path to riches, then, my friend, you've come to the right place. So, hit that subscribe button, join our community, and let's embark on this journey together. Strategy number 1: invest in real estate. Investing in real estate is the first strategy to make the most of the 2023 recession. When the market is down, it presents an excellent opportunity to purchase lower-priced properties. Look for distressed properties or foreclosure auctions, and with the proper research and negotiation skills, you can acquire properties with great potential for future appreciation. Real estate has historically been a solid long-term investment, and the recession can be your ticket to accumulating wealth through rental income and property value growth. Thorough research is the key to success in real estate investing during a recession. You need to identify the right markets, neighborhoods, and property types that have the potential to provide substantial returns in the long run. Look for areas with a strong demand for housing, job growth, and infrastructure development. Investing in distressed properties is one of the most lucrative opportunities during a recession. These properties may be foreclosed, have short sales, or require significant repairs. They are often available at below-market prices, allowing investors to maximize their potential returns. However, thorough due diligence ensures you're making a sound investment. Financing your real estate investments during a recession can be challenging, but it's not impossible. Explore financing options like traditional mortgages, private lenders, or joint ventures. Consider creative financing methods like lease options or seller financing to increase your purchasing power and leverage. Real estate has historically been a solid long-term investment, and the recession can provide opportunities to buy low and build equity over time. As with any investment strategy, diversification and risk management are essential. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Consider investing in different real estate types, such as residential, commercial, or rental properties. Diversifying your portfolio helps mitigate risk and increases your chances of generating consistent cash flow and appreciation. Surrounding yourself with the right professionals is crucial when investing in real estate during a recession. Build a reliable network of real estate agents, property managers, contractors, and fellow investors. They can provide valuable insights, help you identify opportunities, and navigate challenges. Strategy number 2: invest in stocks. Did you know that some of the world's wealthiest people made their fortunes during economic downturns? That's right. So, why can't it be your turn in 2023? Let's explore how you can use this recession to your advantage and become financially independent. To navigate any financial landscape successfully, you must first understand it. So, let's take a closer look at the 2023 recession. A decline in consumer spending and overall market uncertainty primarily drives the current economic downturn. While this may sound alarming, remember that the stock market is filled with hidden gems waiting to be discovered. So, how can you find those gems and turn them into gold? During a recession, specific industries tend to thrive while others struggle. We aim to identify the recession-proof sectors where you can strategically invest your money. Think about essential goods and services, areas without which people can't live, regardless of the economic climate. Some examples include healthcare, utilities, and consumer staples. These industries are more likely to weather the storm and provide stable returns. Once you've pinpointed the recession-proof industries, it's time to dig deeper and find undervalued stocks within those sectors. Remember, these stocks are the diamonds in the rough that have the potential to skyrocket when the market rebounds. Conduct thorough research, analyze financial statements, and consider market trends. Look for companies with solid fundamentals, strong management, and a competitive edge. Investing wisely allows you to position yourself for incredible gains when the economy bounces back. As the saying goes, don't put all your eggs in one basket. This is especially crucial during a recession. Diversification is the key to reducing risk and maximizing your returns. Spread your investments across various sectors and asset classes. Don't limit yourself to stocks, consider bonds, real estate, or even precious metals. By diversifying, you'll ensure that your overall portfolio remains strong even if one sector falters. And that wraps up today's episode of How to Get Rich Using the 2023 Recession. We've covered some great strategies and insights to help you navigate and thrive during these challenging times. Remember, every recession presents unique opportunities, and it's up to us to seize them. If you enjoyed today's video and found value in our shared tips and tricks, hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. By subscribing to our channel, you'll gain exclusive access to more valuable content like this, tailored to help you achieve